You close your laptop at 6 p.m. Your eyes burn. You feel like you worked hard today. But look at your actual goals. Look at your project. Nothing moved. Why are you so tired if nothing actually got done? I spent an entire month building a business. I had a 40-tab Notion workspace, a color-coded calendar, and worked 10 hours a day. At the end of that month, exactly 0 clients. Not because I was lazy. I worked harder than anyone I knew. I just never did the one thing that actually scared me, making the call. That's when I realized I wasn't working. I was hiding behind something that looked exactly like work. I call it the productivity mask. It looks like work. It feels like work. It exhausts you like work, but it produces nothing. Neuroscientists call this the progress illusion. Your brain rewards the feeling of effort, not the result. You are literally getting high on exhaustion. You are running a tuned engine at the red line, burning all your fuel, but the transmission is in neutral. A lot of noise, going nowhere. Today, we put it in gear. Chapter 1. Motion versus action. There's a massive difference between moving and doing, but your brain can't tell them apart. Reading a book about sales is motion. Making 10 cold calls is action. Researching the perfect microphone is motion. Recording the first episode on your phone is action. Organizing your Notion, answering pointless emails, planning your week, all motion. Motion feels productive. It gives you cheap dopamine, but it never produces a result. Why? Because motion is safe. If you're just planning, you can't fail. Action carries risk. So your brain tricks you into preparing for hours just to avoid doing the hard thing. You're not being productive. You're wearing the mask. Chapter 2. The one strike. So how do you take it off? Think about a blade. A cheap factory knife hacks at everything and loses its edge by noon. A true katana is different. No wasted movement. It is forged for one thing, a single, decisive cut. Right now, your attention is the cheap knife, hacking at 20 meaningless tasks a day and getting dull. You need to find your one strike. Before your day begins, identify the single hardest, most intimidating task on your list, the one that actually moves the needle. That's your target. You don't touch anything else until it's done. Chapter 3. The admin quarantine. But what about the emails? The minor tasks? They still need to get done, but they do not deserve your peak hours. You wake up with a full tank of biological fuel. Your focus is sharp. Spending your first 2 hours on emails is like burning your best fuel on a trip to the grocery store. So build the admin quarantine. Take all your fake work, emails, organizing, minor calls, and box it into a single 45-minute window at the very end of your day, when your brain is already tired. You quarantine the noise so it can't infect the rest of your day. The productivity mask doesn't just waste your day, it steals your years. 5 years from now, you could have read 200 books, watched 1,000 videos like this one, and be standing in the exact same spot. The mask doesn't kill your dreams in one day. It kills them slowly, while you feel productive. You have the system. But tomorrow morning, you'll wake up with the same full tank of energy. Will you waste it on the mask again? Take out your notebook right now. Look at tomorrow. What is your one strike? Write it down. Circle it. Everything else goes into quarantine. If you're committing to the strike tomorrow, write one strike in the comments. Let's see who's playing to win and who's just watching another video. That's the choice. Keep the mask on and feel productive, or take it off and actually produce. Stop moving. Start acting. Now get to work.